You know, a wise man once said, anything multiplied by zero, the outcome is zero.
Koashange kona kono tomononola kune kutoka pizza. Koashange kona kono tomononola kune kutoka pizza. Chakada.
Play maar rechtig, hij ken niet. Brek op die straat en zei mijn naam is Danny. Ik heb de cherry met die naam van Kelly. Pinkies en Sally, Rodin en Melanie. Ik heb ze goed aan met hulle geslaap. Gebruik je condoom, niet voor wat. Alsjeblieft Danny, gebruik je kop. Toe hij hom gaan toes dan hij geskokt. Danny, je het uit, dokter die job.
Oseka, tulimo Namibia. Kasi jaiva tulika kokakia. Old school, you know no 40. Hai kupono langoto, you know no 40. Hai disoye ya kailo toko na po. Take care, otherwise so to pepa come po.
Mama work hard to put her through the best school, so I guess she had to move her to Vinto. The club life, she was really real cool. Now she lives life from a hospital.
Families are crying, kids are crying, people are dying. I don't understand why we shouldn't get this thing to zero. I think we should do. Let's go. Let's get it to zero. Discrimination. Let's get it to zero. New infections. Let's get it to zero. Let's kill HIV. Let's get it to zero. Let's kill HIV. If somebody is infected and have the virus, please let's get this thing to zero and let's not discriminate them. Let's not discriminate them, let's get this thing to zero. You understand? And if you are infected, please we don't want you to have new infection. It's not a joke anymore. This is serious. Let's introduce all the related HIV death. HIV death. To the brothers and sisters, to the mothers and fathers, to the rich and the poor, to the blacks and whites. Everybody get wise. Fall over from the fight. This is the time. Let's get it to zero. Many people are dying. We can never sit and watch. That is on the rise. Let's get it to zero. Let's get it to zero. Let's get it to zero. To all the patients, still medication. Let's get it to zero. Discrimination. Let's get it to zero. New infections. Let's get it to zero. Let's kill HIV. Let's get it to zero. Let's kill HIV. Let's get it to zero. Discrimination. Let's get it to zero. New infections. Let's get it to zero. Let's kill HIV. Let's get it to zero. Let's kill HIV. My parents died of HIV, AIDS, related deaths. And I don't wish any kid out in the world, their parents, to have the same shoes that I walked through. It's not a joke. Let's get this thing to zero. Discrimination was there, but now let's get it to zero. You understand? You understand?
To many, the number 0 means nothing. To us, it means getting to zero. 0 new HIV infections, 0 discrimination, 0 AIDS-related deaths. This year's World AIDS Day, all roads lead to the Nxares region, bringing you information about correct, consistent condom use, voluntary medical male circumcision, HIV testing and counseling, sports activities, and performances by renowned local artists with their Getting to Zero musical message. The HIV combination prevention strategy will also be launched officially at the World AIDS Day. Proudly brought to you by the Ministry of Health and Social Services in partnership with GIZ, WHO, PEPFAR, Erongo, UNAIDS, and UNFPA.